Okay, so there's this thing. It's a, it's a, um, it's a simulator, and about the simulator, I'm still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still. And I don't like simulators, because basically all you do in a simulator is click buttons. Then when you click buttons, something's supposed to happen. That's basically what the frick is this? Okay, so what am I supposed to do? Oh, that's some good lipstick. What am I supposed to do? Why do I sell bubbles? I got $25 for just popping a bubble. See, you basically just hold and click for nothing. Basically all you do. This is stupid. This is really stupid. Why does it look like chapstick or lipstick? It looks like I just put on lipstick. I'm just like, oh no, I put too much. So, you know what? This just sucks. Bye. Okay. Pizza Factory. YouTuber Tycoon. Whoa, what do I even play, man? Let's look up simulator. Okay. Let's look up simulator. Simulator. And then I'm gonna. Okay, that one was I give that simulator. I give that simulator a 2 out of 10. Fighting simulator. Don't know what this is supposed to be. Okay. 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 His rebirth became 13 times bigger. Okay. I don't need directions. Just, come on, thank you. Um. Oh, I'm growing fast. I. Okay, who wants to fight? Who wants to fight? You. Want to fight? Hey, I dare you to fight. Let's go. Kid, let's go. Enter the arena. Are you bullying me? Okay, do you want to fight? No, 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 no. No, 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 I'm gonna die. Get away from me! No! No, double team! Still chill, 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 still chill. I'm going. Still chill, still chill, still chill. No! Ow, 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 ow. Oh, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop, 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 ow. Stop, 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 stop. Go away! Still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill, still chill. What the f- What is happening? This simulator sucks. No! I died. This game sucks. This game. What the okay, this game sucks. Gotta type in simulator again. I suck at typing stuff. Though, please, guys. Simulator. Oh, groups. What the I'm not supposed to be in a group? You gotta be joking me, man. My bad. Games. Lollipop. Okay, I give that one a 6. Really real game name, but like, ooh, this one. This guy's gonna die. So let's play this game because this is like gonna die. He's gonna die. Let's play this one. This is about death. What the just run over people? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What type of game is this? This is some weird stuff. Give me that car. Is that car on me? Am I too little? Aw. Oh my gosh. There's a chest. Give me this chest. No! Let me up! Let me up! Alright. Whatever. I'm starting to get really big. Ah. Haha. Why is there kills up here? Is that my pounds? Is this how fat I am? 30 million pounds? I'm super big. It's just starting to get really boring. Music is good. Alright, yeah, this game sucks. I give this an 8. It doesn't suck that much. I give this an 8. Alright, time to go back. Simulators. Epic. Fortnite Simulator. Fortnite Simulator. Epic from Epic Games made Fortnite. Epic from Epic Games made Fortnite and Fortnite. I'm not sure if that's copyrighted. Oh, I need that skin. I'm gonna play. Yeah, I'm gonna play Solo Phil. Epic Games did not. No, I'm not chill anymore. I'm not chill. Where are we dropping, boys? Thanos. 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 Freaking Roblox. I hate this game. I hate this game already. Can I pick up this? Ooh. I'm not even. Okay, I guess I can turn up the volume. I need to hear my gun. Cause... Okay, now I don't hear. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. RPG. Oops. No. I got an RPG. Step away. Hold on, launchpad. Let's launchpad. Woo! Whoa! I just died. Ah. I don't know if that's copyrighted. I don't want to get copyrighted strike. This is a new freaking channel. I don't want to get copyrighted striked on it. Okay, what's this? I hate games that only. Okay, this is more like a gray pistol. This is not a deagle. Okay, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Oh, default. Pickaxe battle. Let's go. Let's go. I have a better gun now. Come here. I eliminated somebody. Mom, get the camera. Mom, you're too late. Is this like a heavy AR? A launch pad. Ooh, I did this. Give me this. How do you turn on streamer mode? I don't want people stream sniping. What the? Yeah, you better have died. Took a missile. What? Oh, oh, oh. Oh my gosh. I'm a hot lady now. Very, very. Open the chest! Can I build? What do you mean? This game doo-doo. I give this. Okay, actually, I give this a 10 out of 10 for this now. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Fortnite Simulator. I'm sorry, Fortnite Service Team for. Okay, not even a group. Sorry, but since now you have this, I'll give you a 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay. Moving on. Okay, Muscle Simulator. He's on. He's no. Okay. Do. Yes, Arthro Simulator. Actually, never mind. Bubblegum Simulator sucks. Limited time offer simulator simulator. Okay. We'll do the simulation sim. Ah! And then this is gonna be the last one. I'm still chill. Okay. Any of them have the chill face on? None of them have the chill face on. This is stupid. Is this just an obby? Come on, noob idiot game. Give me a. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Yeah! Free! Yeah! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Ooh! I'm the best. Noob idiot game. Noob idiot shark. I'm the best. You're the worst. Ha ha ha. I'm not gonna be able to sleep at night after I just saw that. No, I can't look at that. Okay. Rainbow stairs. Rainbow stair. Okay, now that's that. Eat. Huh! This is really hard.